I grew up in Tramo, Pasay City, Philippines, where community and family are highly valued. My parents, Mary Lou and Rodolfo Sanggalang, instilled in my perseverance and dedication. After finishing high school in Pasay City North High School, I chose hotel and restaurant management at City of University of Pasay. In May 2024, my wife and I moved here in Canada for better opportunities. I chose Centennial College for its hands-on learning program that aligns with my career goals. What is culture? Culture shapes our identity, values, and interaction. In the Philippines, family, respect, and hospitality are central to daily life. From fiesta celebration to showing po and opo, our culture emphasizes strong relationship. Moving to Canada, I've learned the culture is dynamic, allowing me to embrace new experience while staying true to my root. In my family, elders hold the most status due to their wisdom and guidance. We show respect through traditional like mano po. Gender roles are not strictly defined as responsibilities are based on skill and interest rather than tradition. Success goes beyond wealth or status. It's about personal growth, meaningful relationship, and making a positive impact. It means working towards my goal, providing for my family, and staying true to my values. Education is highly valued in my family as a key of success. It's not just about getting degree, but it's about gaining knowledge, skill, and experience that open doors to better opportunity and personal growth. Growing up in a multiple generation household with grandparents, aunts, uncle, and cousin taught me cooperation, respect, and shared responsibility, core values in Filipino culture. Religion is a guiding force in my family, shaping our values, tradition, and decision-making. It provides strength, unity, and sense of purpose, reinforces kindness and gratitude and resilience. Native language and teaching future generation. My native language is Filipino, and I'm also fluent in English. Language is a vital part of identity, and I plan to teach my children Filipino to help them to stay connected to their roots while benefiting from bilingualism. Physical contact depends on the context. Handshake, hugs, and mano are commonly family social settings. But in professional environment, personal space is more respected. Respect and disrespect in my culture. Respect is shown through politeness, humility, and honoring elders. While disrespect includes talking back, ignoring tradition, or raising one voice. Filipino culture values gratitude, hospitality, and strong family ties. Collectivist versus individualist perspective. I come from collectivist culture, where family and community come first. Decisions are made with a group of well-being in mind, fostering harmony, cooperation, and mutual support. Filipino culture is a high context, relying on nonverbal cues, tones, and shared experience rather than direct word. Relationship and harmony are prioritized in communication. Power distance in my culture. Filipino culture has high power distance, where hierarchy and authority are respected. Leaders are expected to guide and take responsibility, while subordinates show deference through modern workplace encourage collaboration and shared decision-making. Adapting a new culture is both challenging and rewarding. Culture shock is natural due to different routines, social interaction, and communication style. But an open mind and willingness to learn help ease the transition. My personal value aligns with the national culture in terms of family, respect, and community. However, living in a new country has helped me embrace individual growth and adaptability, shaping a unique personal identity that blends my Filipino heritage with the new experience.